All right, so I'm going to a little bit of soiree tonight, and I want to do something I've never done before, which is cook jalapeno poppers. But before I do that, I wanted to show you the two things you need when you're going to cook awesome food, and that is a great deck or patio and a great grill. We have the deck built by OG Construction, right? Engineered wood so it's not going to rot. It is outstanding, and here is the illustrious Kamado Joe, which is far and away the easiest grill you will ever use. And yes, charcoal is the way to go. Easy to control the heat, and your food tastes great. To make jalapeno poppers, you of course need jalapenos. I'm going to fill mine with sausage, cream cheese, and Parmesan. And the good news is I've got a lot of help, right, Bailey? Yeah. So let's see Bailey. Bailey, say hey. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the sausage, and then I'm going to mix in the cream cheese and the Parmesan for the filling, and then I'm going to bake them on the grill for about 15 minutes at about 425 degrees. And by that time, those jalapeno poppers should literally be popping. And they should be awesome. So here we go. Okay, got the sausage cooked. I'm just going to throw my cream cheese in the microwave just for a little bit, soften it up so that it makes it easier to mix. And then we'll get our filler for our jalapeno poppers. Okay, so we've got our jalapenos chopped. So we've got our cheese ready. And we've got our sausage ready. And now we're going to mix it up. Okay, so we're just mixing this in. All the ingredients, which is basically for me, it's just cream cheese, sausage, and a little bit of Parmesan. I will tell you this, I use the best cream cheese, which is Philadelphia cream cheese. Philadelphia got something right? So mixing in the sausage, and then I will get some Parmesan. Okay, and then we'll mix it up. It up nice and good, and then you basically just stuff your stuffers. And I use these disposable little containers just because it makes it easy for cleanup and it makes it easy for transportation. One thing worth noting, all right, if this is your first time to do it, like it is mine, if you decide to touch your eyes after de-seeding the jalapenos, make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything. Got a little jalapeno juice in my eye, and that's, it'll never happen again. But and I hope it tastes awesome. But yeah, wash your hands after de-seeding the jalapenos. Put a little bit of extra Parmesan on there just for flair. Now we're going to put them on the grill for 15 minutes at 425, and we will have awesomeness after. Go. Put them on the grill. Highly recommend the Kamado Joe because it's easy to use, and everything you pull off it tastes great. Here we go. 15 minutes for these guys. There we go. It's been 15 minutes. So, and we have awesome jalapeno poppers right there. Boom. Kamado Joe jalapeno poppers, perfect for the Super Bowl weekend or any weekend for that matter. What do you say, Bailey? What do you say? Soccer. Soccer. Okay, well you can do soccer too.